And you know what? I came to today's event and it was fantastic.
It was so great to hear the different speakers share so much of their knowledge and what value that they can bring to others.
The services that his company provides can help me bring that together is a huge relief.
Two things that I'm going to implement immediately is the goal setting. I got that great idea about goals, and that phone piece, making sure that I can, narrow things down, get people pre-qualified before I spend a lot of time on them. Wow, that was like a game changer, an eye-opener for me.
Especially like myself, being a virtual assistant, it is great to have a networking space to meet with other small business owners, but also to gain so much value and knowledge.
So I'm about to go out here and talk to him about what he can do to help me bring my business together so I can grow it, because I feel stagnant right now. And just some of the solutions that he provided in this mastermind, I'm gonna implement right away. And then I'm going to hire him to help me take it even bigger than what I thought I could do.
So I highly recommend it if you have a small business, or you even just have a business idea that you're getting interested in. This is a perfect jumpstart to develop and to grow that business and to grow yourself.
So if you haven't come out to any of these masterminds, I strongly encourage it. You will not regret it. It is time well spent.